Character.ai and turning off the NSW means not safe for work filter is crazy idea. But remember, it always complies with the community guidelines and it restricts the NSW content. These filters cannot be officially turned off. Remember, whether you are anywhere. What you can do is you can use your clear prompt. Yes, ensure the message align with the terms of service. Reframe your conversation to avoid triggering the NSW filter. Now, I hope what you're getting. You can always type in things that does not trigger the NSW filter. If Character.ai restrictions not meeting your needs, consider exploring other platforms which actually helps you. So Character.ai is pretty good platform for chatting and different characters. It has multiple characters that has their own vibes and it's a whole lot genre of AI. This video was how you can use NSW without being restricted and I'll see you in the next one.